there we go, brand new one. Double check them, make sure they match. Oh, they look good to me. And let's reinstall. There you go. Start with it, obviously, it's never going to be simple. Place. All lined up nicely. So, new day, we're back out on it. To finish early yesterday with family things. So let's get back under the Mark 1 and we'll go through what we've done so far. Right, so we stripped the whole wishbone out in the end. And we drilled out the holes, the pins, the original pins, and then bolted in the new one ball joint. Yeah, all nice and good, all solid in there. And good and solid in there, as you can see. So now what we're going to do is we'll install it back in. Now, hopefully this will only be a 5-minute job. But nothing on an old Volkswagen is a 5-minute job.